Right, my little munchkins, I need help getting to either the Sidemen charity match or Soccer Aid. It is only possible with your help, and I'm working up. Sorry, I hiccup there. I'm working on my football skills every single day until that dream becomes a reality. This is day 51 now, I believe, of this series. So if you've not seen it before, as I just said, I work on my football skills every single day until I achieve the dream of playing at Soccer Aid or Sidemen charity match. These hiccups are doing my head in, so yeah, it's just quit with them, you know. Good deal. Right, any help is greatly appreciated, so if I would help me out and for more football content, again, I do this every single day, so please help me out.